Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, we are going to be discussing something very important, something that you all have been wanting to know. How much is the salary of an airline pilot? एक airline pilot की salary कितनी होती है? So अगर आप भी ये जानना चाहते हैं, stay with me till the end. Now let's quickly take you through some factors that would affect the salary. As you can see, the size of the airline they work for, it depends on the size of the airline, the number of aircraft, basically the fleet, all that also matters when it comes to the salary. The next point is the type of jet they are certified to fly. Well, there's an error there, just don't mind that. It means the kind of aircraft you are certified to fly. You could be flying a Boeing 737, an Airbus 320, or the bigger aircrafts that fly long haul. So it also matters when it comes to the salary. When you fly international, more of international, you're paid more. Domestic is not as much, but even then it's not less. So that does matter in deciding on what kind of salary would you get. The next is their experience in the industry. How many hours of flying do you have? How many years of flying experience do you have? If you're really experienced, you get more salary. But if you are at the very basic level, the beginner, then the salary would be less comparatively. The next one is the country they live and work out of as home base. So you could also be flying for an international airline, and international airlines pay you more rather than the domestic ones. So that also depends on which country you're based in. Your salary matters according to that. And the last one is the flight pattern they fly. So basically, again, like I said, it could be an international flight, you could be flying the domestic flight. So all this finally concludes on the type of salary, the amount of salary that you would be getting in the airline. Some of the major recruiters in India are Air India, TrueJet, SpiceJet, Vistara, Indigo, AirAsia, Go First, Alliance Air and Air India Express. Now your salary also varies on the position that you are in the airline. There are various positions. Let's talk about the junior first officer. Now a junior first officer can earn anywhere between 1 to 1.5 lakhs. Well, this is the starting step, or the first step you take as a commercial pilot in the airline basically. Sometimes you become a junior first officer, a first officer. Once you have some more experience, you become a senior first officer. So that way this also makes a difference in your salary. But the first very basic is the first officer, and at that time you would earn, that is what, around 1 to 1.5 lakhs per month. So the next is the first officer. Well, some companies directly hire you as a first officer. Some companies have a JFO like a junior first officer. So a first officer earns anywhere between 1 to 2 lakhs per month. The next in line is a senior first officer. Well, the salary for a senior first officer could be anywhere between 2.5 to 3.5 lakhs, or maybe even more, but that depends on the kind of company or which company are you working for. The next in line is a captain. Captain is the left side where you hold the entire responsibility of the aircraft. Here, since the responsibility is more, the salary is more. So yes, you will earn anywhere between 4 or more basically. It could be anything but above 4 lakhs per month. So this was all about how much a pilot earns in India. Well, we were just giving you a rough idea because many of you have asked us of how much it is. So just to give you an idea on all of this, we did this video. I hope this video will help you, and you keep liking us, keep following us for more such informative videos and updates. Don't be sitting at home. Come, let's fly!